insane, bro. We have like 1 million people here at this festival for 4th of July. Here's my friend Guy. He's a guy, and yeah.
I am.
What?
Why wouldn't I be?
I don't really care. Anyway, it looks like Iran is attacking back right now. So guys, here's what's happening. There's like 1 million people here right now. It kind of sucks, but you know it's fun. Oh, my aunt is texting me. Yo, we might have to hit the Gangnam Style for you guys. All right, we're gonna hit the Gangnam Style real quick. All right. Yeah, hold the phone for me. Hold the phone. Wait, yeah.
Hold it like this.
No, yeah. Oh no. What am I doing? You don't even look at me, bro. This is like bro, I am low percentage, bro. Low battery. No. This is insane, bro. You guys probably can't even hear me.
The moment you discover Mr. Beast has an Android.
Bro. Oh, fireworks! A firework just went off over there, bro. I'm gonna like, bro. Yo. Nah. This is insane. I'm shooting so unfair. It's like just filming. It's insane, bro. This is insane. What should we do, guys? What game should we play? I kind of started recording with no plans whatsoever. I did not plan this. I didn't even know we were coming here. There is literally smoke everywhere. Hold up. I'm going to turn the camera. Oh, yeah. So a lot of things, you know. A lot of things happening here. Yeah, it's kind of crazy out here, you know.
When KSI leaves his address.
Bro, stop saying random like brain rappers, okay?
When you find out what stereo Diddy's in.
Stop!
Oh, the babies want to get back at him.
I just hit a firefly. Like 6. Oh!
Not starting yet.
I'm so nonchalant, bro. So nonchalant. Bro. This is, I don't even know where, like, what's happening right now, bro. Wait, let me check my battery percentage. I'm at 21%.
That's how old I am.
Stop, no.
Get.
Oh, it's starting! It's starting! It's starting! It's starting! It's starting! Ah! Yeah, it's starting. Yeah, it's starting. Starting. Let me get some good clips. All right.
Quick announcement: the bounce houses will be closing down.
Yeah.
So
It's gonna be crazy.
parents, if you can please come in.
Oh, they're gonna start pretty soon. Pretty soon. They just like instantly deflated. The kids are like stuck inside. They're like stuck inside inflatable houses, bro. Chaos. There's police everywhere, like with like lights on, you know. It's crazy. I'm not gonna. It's insane. No, I'm gonna cut the video here until like we get something cool going on. Back at the park. Okay. Yeah. We're back at the park. Because, you know. Kind of chaos here. The fireworks actually gonna start pretty soon. I'm using my time to like just climb equipment. Climb like random equipment.
I got to go on the bouncy house.
Okay, cool. Alright. Go away.
That's
Nobody. Oh! No. Bro, people are going insane. I'm on park. This is my time to just kind of climb on. My sister thinks I'm calling somebody. Bro. I'm doing this one-handed. Please subscribe. Yo! Hi! It's pretty insane, brother. There's some random kids.
I want food to smoke.
Kids are bragging about going through the smoke. Yeah, let's go. Oh, smoke! This is insane. It's probably hard to see the smoke on camera. But oh my gosh. It's so smoky. I don't like, my lungs are filled with smoke right now. This can't be good for you. Man. Alright, let's just kind of go. Try to run right. Hold on, by the way, Patriots won. Padres just won their game. There's some emotes here. It's kind of insane. I'm not telling you where I'm at. I don't want you stalking me. It's my main phone. Kind of fun here. Not gonna lie. Should not be fun, bro. Pollution. Songs. I don't know where my friend went. Well, I kind of ditched him, so he probably went to his parents. My lungs kind of hurts. Sorry, my battery came up. Like 20% battery. Just climbing around, you know. Very cool. So, you know. It's kind of fun. Kinda. Not. Hold up. Yeah. That's, oh, we're back. Okay. Oh my god. Oh wait. Oh goodness. It's so smoky. It's insane. We're smoky, bro. Oh, this is like the lamest park ever. Just saying. I'm gonna look somewhere actually high up. Yo. Smoke. That's all I can see. We're pretty high up here. No, that was kind of crazy. Let's go down slide by me, really lame. Oh my goodness, so fun. Okay, it's pretty fun. I might have to do that later. You know, maybe. Who knows? Hold up. I'm parkouring. Pro at parkour. You know what I mean? I'm just kind of hanging out again here. Now let me go. I'm coming, Lena. Hold up. We will be right back. Oh my goodness. We might be right back. Sorry, my sister is on the... Shut up, bro. Bro.
Alright, let's go.
Yo, we're gonna go get ready for fireworks, baby. Bro, it's this, man. I am ready. I don't want to inhale any more smoke. I'll get you when it starts. Guys, we have some starting. But these aren't even ours. These are illegal, bro. These are random people doing these. What? These are illegal, probably. Oh my goodness, bro. That's insane. Oh, yo, we'll get back to you when there's more. Yo, they started. Yup, they're huge. Yeah. Boom. Another one coming. Another one. Two other ones. Oh wait, Star Spangled Banner happening. The Star Spangled Banner is happening in the background. You guys can't hear it. Holy smokes. Let's go! Oh! Big one! And it's over. Not just kidding. We're not ever over. Oh my gosh, bro. This is actually just like scary, bro. Oh! Oh my gosh! This looks better on here. I'm just saying. Oh no. Oh! That's scary, bro. Yo. Oh! That's insane. That one's big, that one's big, that one's big. No it's not. Oh, that one is though. That one is. Oh, that one's going high. That one's going high. This one's gonna be big. Oh no. Oh no, this one's gonna be massive. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, that's massive. This is gonna be massive. Oh! Like the sound's delayed. So you. Oh! Oh, bro, this is insane. Oh, this one's gonna be loud. I'm not excited for this one. Oh! It's scary when you know like it's about to go off. Oh! Oh shoot! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh, bro! Another one's coming. Oh no! Oh no! Oh! I almost fell. Okay, I almost fell. Ah! 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 Oh my goodness! Oh no! It's gonna be loud. Oh no! Two. There's two. This one's gonna be big. Oh my goodness! I'm scared, bro. Like it's like a scary experience, bro. It's so loud. My little, very little sister wants to go home. They're too loud. Oh my gosh. This one's going high. This one's gonna be big. Tell. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Holy smokes, bro. This one's gonna be big. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, bro. Bro's gonna. And remember, there's a grand finale where they just launch like 1 million, bro. I just launch the rest. Okay. It's gonna be silent now.
don't want to miss them.
I'm gonna. Someone just fell out of their chair. I'm gonna cut here. I'm not gonna show the full thing, so we'll leave it off here. Have a good time. Have a happy 4th of July. Probably gonna be posted after 4th of July, so bye.